Safe meal preparation and storage basics. Nutrition and food safety are essential components of home care. As a home health aide, HHA, you may be responsible for preparing meals and storing food for clients, many of whom are elderly or have chronic illnesses that make them more vulnerable to foodborne illnesses. This lesson focuses specifically on the principles of safe meal preparation, food handling hygiene, and proper food storage practices to promote client health and safety in the home setting. Principles of safe meal preparation. Hand and kitchen hygiene. Wash your hands before and after preparing meals. Use clean utensils, cutting boards, and kitchen surfaces. Wash fruits and vegetables thoroughly. Do not prepare food if you are sick or have open wounds, preventing cross-contamination. Keep raw meats separate from ready-to-eat foods. Use separate cutting boards for raw meat and produce. Sanitize all surfaces after contact with raw animal products. Never place cooked food on plates that held raw food. Cooking temperatures. Use a food thermometer to ensure foods are cooked to safe internal temperatures. Chicken and poultry, 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Ground meat, 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 degrees Celsius. Fish, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius. Leftovers, reheated to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Proper cooking kills harmful bacteria and viruses that can make clients sick. Proper food storage guidelines. Refrigerator and freezer safety. Keep refrigerator at or below 40 degrees, 4 degrees Celsius. Keep freezer at 0 degrees Fahrenheit, -18 degrees Celsius, or below. Store raw meat on bottom shelves to prevent drips onto other foods. Food storage time frames. Food item, safe fridge storage time, cooked leftovers, 3 to 4 days. Raw poultry, 1 to 2 days. Ground meat, 1 to 2 days. Eggs, raw, in shell, 3 to 5 weeks. Milk, 5 to 7 days. After opening. Check expiration dates and follow the first in, first out rule. Use older items first. Labeling and dating. Label all stored food with date prepared or opened. Use airtight containers to preserve freshness. Discard any food with unusual odor, color, or texture. Food safety risks and how to prevent them. Common foodborne illness symptoms: nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, fever, abdominal cramps. Older adults and immunocompromised clients may experience more severe reactions. Avoiding high-risk foods for vulnerable clients. For clients with weak immune systems, avoid raw eggs, foraged nearly in homemade mayonnaise, unpasteurized dairy products, deli meats unless reheated to steaming hot, raw sprouts or sushi. What to do if contamination is suspected. Discard questionable food immediately. Do not serve it to the client just in case. Report food-related illness signs to the nurse or supervisor right away. Grocery planning and meal prep tips. Client-centered meal planning. Respect the client's dietary restrictions, preferences, and cultural food practices. Follow any dietary instructions from nurses, dietitians, or physicians. Smart shopping practices. Check expiration dates at the store. Bag raw meats separately to avoid leaks. Prioritize fresh, nutrient-rich foods when possible. Cooking in advance. Prepare meals in portions if allowed, storing them properly for reheating. Reheat leftovers only once and discard uneaten portions after 2 days. Careful attention to food safety and preparation can prevent illness and support nutritional needs. You play a critical role in maintaining a clean and healthy home environment. Follow hygienic cooking practices, store food properly, and monitor expiration dates. Remember, when in doubt, throw it out. Food safety is never worth the risk. Safe food handling protects your client's health and meets their nutritional needs. By following hygienic cooking practices, proper storage, and checking expiration dates, you create a safer home environment.